Hello, my name is Marc Tambini, and I'm an assistant professor in the Department of Pharmacology, Physiology, and Neuroscience, and in the Brain Health Institute at Rutgers, New Jersey Medical School. My lab is focused on the function of the amyloid precursor protein and how its dysfunction can lead to Alzheimer's disease. Amyloid precursor protein is known to traffic along the endocytic pathway and into intraluminal vesicles, which can then either be degraded or sent out of the cell in the form of extracellular vesicles. So my lab has isolated these extracellular vesicles and determined their content by mass spec. And we find that these APP-containing extracellular vesicles contain valicin-containing protein, VCP, which is itself another dementia-causing gene. The main function of VCP is to untangle pathological aggregates in the cell. So now we see a relationship between these two dementia-causing genes, and we speculate that the dysfunction of the amyloid precursor protein, which itself has metabolites that aggregate in AD, can then go on to cause the aggregation of other proteins via this interaction, this functional interaction with VCP. And now we're going to test this in cell models and also in animal models shortly. So this sort of work by its nature is basic cell biology. We're interested in the function of proteins, where they traffic, how they get degraded, how they get sent out of the cell. But given that we're focused on disease-related mutations and disease-related outputs, such as the formation of histopathological changes in the brain, it would be useful to collaborate with clinicians for a clinical take on the research we're doing, for access to biological materials that might be relevant to the research we're doing, as well as for collaborations and the like. So to that end, the Brain Health Institute is creating, and I'm assisting with the creation, of the AD and related dementia translational work-in-progress series. The idea is that it'll act as a means by which to bring together a group of basic and clinical scientists, and this group will then act as a sounding board for some of the research, the AD-related research that's going on here at Rutgers. We're going to meet every month, and it's going to give students, postdocs, and faculty a chance to practice their research talks, to discuss specific aims, reviewer feedback, experimental design, results, all in a very informal setting. We want to expose clinical researchers to basic science and vice versa. And we hope that the result of this will be more collaborations between basic research faculty and clinicians at Rutgers. We're very much looking forward to everyone's participation, and it's going to start up this fall. Thank you so much.